Good morning, everyone. Tuesday, February 1st. It being a Tuesday, of course, it's time for the Mortgage Minute where we cover what's going on with mortgage rates in under a minute. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to this chart, what we're looking at here. Of course, this is a history not dating back too far of Fed interest rate hikes. And what we know is, and you could see it starting at about 2008, it was almost zero or around zero until 2016, and then we know it started creeping up. The Fed wanted to start creeping up the rates because they kept low so long, and then of course COVID hit in 20, so they kept it suppressed again, and now they're having to jump it up because of what's obviously happened the past couple of months: inflation, right? So what's the biggest combat against that? Hiking up the rates. So here we see, where we're at right now. And they've already promised this year to hike it 7 times and foregoing the usual quarter point hike, but now going up 0.5%. But here's the interesting thing is that everybody thinks, oh, as soon as the rates hike, that's going to have a bad effect on the interest rates, mortgage rates. Not necessarily the case. It's really about this. This is what we're all up against. It's what they're holding in assets. They're all the way up to $9 trillion in backed securities and bonds. Well, now they're talking about unloading this. And this is the first time in a long time, in really history, where they're doing both at the same time without any type of lag, where they're saying, hey, we're raising the interest rates in a big way, and we're tapering off our balance sheet. That's what the markets respond to. When the balance sheet goes down, stocks often go down, and certainly interest rates often spike. And we're seeing a lot of rattling that already. In the past 8 weeks, interest rates have gone up. There's a little volatility recently. They've come back down slightly. We're still historically extremely low, right? They're still fantastic. They're still in the threes, but we all have to watch. Are they going to be in the high threes? Are they going to creep into 4, into 5? I guess it'll be interesting to see what happens, but this hopefully explains a little bit about what's going on right now.